Calvin, good to have you on. What is the outlook for commercial real estate, particularly those sectors that are in and around the retail world?
Well, the first thing to keep in mind is that this recovery is really lopsided, the economic recovery and the commercial real estate recovery. Some sectors are doing well. Retail is one of the areas that has been hit quite hard by the pandemic. They've been on the front lines of the pandemic. But if you look at the underlying fundamentals of retail, that's actually one of the areas of the economy that has actually really come back. Retail sales are above where they were at the beginning of the year. Now, we're not seeing that in the results in the shopping centers or the regional malls, largely because clothing spending has not come back. The sector overall has adapted some hybrid changes that may last longer term. So something like curbside pickup that is a hybrid between online shopping and in-store shopping is probably here to stay. And for the real estate market, that means you still do need that physical location.
But you probably need a physical location, I would imagine, Calvin, that is smaller than the one that you had before.
That's right. And what we're seeing with the pandemic is an acceleration of some of the changes that had already been underway. We've been seeing for 6, 8, 10 years, 8 years, how e-commerce has taken away some of the need for commercial real estate, for retail real estate. But you're also seeing a differential impact across the types of properties. Now, some of the malls that are really struggling are the ones that are in older cities, smaller towns that don't have the jobs, don't have the income growth. But you look at the big markets, and that's actually where REITs, real estate investment trusts, have most of their properties. The ones that have with good job growth, those malls actually have high occupancy, and they'll probably still have new tenants as we come out of this crisis.
Listen, I get it. It's TV, Calvin. People like to make impacts and use big statements, words like never and forever. We'll never go back to an office. Work from home is here forever. I don't buy it. We structured the way that we work now for a reason. It was the best way to do things. Everybody I know is longing to get out of their home. How does the work from home balance change, and how does it impact real estate?
Well, work from home is here to stay. Work from home has been not just an acceptable workaround for a lot of situations, but there are a lot of tasks that people can do from home fairly well. But it's going to be a flexible environment. Most employers and most employees do expect that most days people will be back in the office. What you're also going to see is that with this additional flexibility, people need to be in the office because some things you just can't do as well with an online meeting. If you're building a new team, starting a new project, signing a big deal, you want a face-to-face meeting. Those informal, you bump into somebody outside of the office. That's where you get a lot of collaboration that really helps productivity. We're going to see people back in the office because office is here to stay as well.